Hi everyone. Now that you have your Qlik Cloud account created, you can download the desktop version. So to download the desktop version, you go to your username, go to Profile Settings, and then here under Tools, you find the Qlik Sense Desktop. So let's download it and just wait for a few moments and you see the Qlik Sense Desktop set up here to install. So click on Open, and this will install the Qlik Sense Desktop on your machine. This will take a few moments, so I will skip when it to. There is nothing here. Is very straightforward. Okay. All right. All right. So the installation is completed. Click on Finished. And then you should see the Qlik Sense Desktop here. Okay. So I will click on it. Let me close this one. So now you need to authenticate it against your Qlik account. So go back here. Let me try this way. Click on Authenticate. It will ask you to execute. Just open. Let's see. Okay, that's the link. Click on it. All right, then you need your user and password. Click on Login. All right, that's it. So then you can start creating a new app and using your Qlik Sense Desktop to access your local data. Okay, that's it. So if you like the video, give us a like and subscribe our channel. I see you next time. Thank you.